First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Launch the software on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer with the USB cable. When successfully connected, you will see the interface. Switch to Super Toolkit, click on iTunes Backup and Restore, then choose the Backup button. You can either save them on the default iTunes Backup location or any other location on your PC, then hit OK to begin the backup process. Unlock your iPhone to proceed when it pops up. It will take some time to finish the backup process. Please be patient. When it finishes, you will see your new iPhone backup on the interface. If you want to restore your iPhone from iTunes Backup or computer, please click Restore. Choose a backup file to restore to your iPhone, then click the OK button. Then you will a warning pop-up window like this. Please check it carefully before proceeding. After that, it will start restoring iTunes Backup to your iPhone.